Okay, so 5 seconds ago I just stopped recording for my aisle video, and I just figured I'd add some content, more content to my channel for when it comes to the aisle video, because like I was bored. Okay, but now I'm gonna be doing Sons of the Forest. Let's see. Oh yeah, getting better. Building and vibing, by the way, that's what it's called. But it keeps lagging the heck out, so yeah. Okay. Yeah, my microphone should be on. Okay, so oh yeah, originally like made a friend on the Sons of the Forest, and I don't know if he's gonna join again, but like usually whenever I do join on the server, he usually joins. And then I remember I had another one. I don't know what the heck happened. Like I had another friend for Sons of the Forest and whatnot. Then he just like disappeared. It's like, huh. Sorry, you can hear my breathing. My friends on Fortnite, or not my friends on Fortnite. My friends in real life. Whenever we're doing a trio in Fortnite for like random stuff, they say they can hear my breathing, so you can just hear. I'm like that because, so you see, I play on a Xbox for Fortnite, and I have different headphones, the Turtle Beach headphones, and they're a lot better. They have a lot better mic than these headphones, so they like you can hear everything. What the heck? Like you can hear SpongeBob going on in the background. You can hear dogs barking, all of that. Oh yeah, look at this loot. Of course and of course this all was like my doing, but like wait, what? Okay, well I use cheat stick, or as I call them, commands, because it just feels a lot better. Who said that? Quit yapping, whoever said that. I always gotta do that. So, now, here's the thing I'm kind of worried about. When I'm done recording this, I have to go to YouTube and record the aisle video and this video. So, that could be a hassle. Oh yeah, I also have another channel, but I'm not going to reveal that other channel. Once I get to 40 subscribers, I'll reveal that second channel. Like, once I get 40 subscribers on this channel, then I'll reveal said channel. And, yeah. And on that certain channel, I only have 1 subscriber. Yeah, so, get this. In 5 minutes, one of my videos on my phone channel, or the other channel I'm talking about, it got 57 views in 5 minutes. Whereas the videos like these, to get that near as many of the views, like the one with like 50-something views took like, what, like a couple weeks to a month? Whereas that one only took 5 minutes. Which is highly concerning, which shows how much people really watch YouTube Shorts. And also, one of them also got 167 views, which just shows how much people love YouTube Shorts. I don't know how to do that with the channel I'm currently using. This is my most successful channel. Like my friend that on Sons of the Forest and Steam technically. So he has a YouTube channel too, and he has 17 subscribers. And I have 31, 32 or 31, one of the two, can't remember. But so yeah, Oh, hi. Oh, thank you. That is... I will eat that. Probably get food poisoning, but who cares? Oh, someone connected to the server. Oh, there he is. Shingojiraultima. Yeah, I'm pretty sure they should spawn right over here near the helicopter. Hello there. Is my mic on?
Hello?
Hello.
What's up, friend? Where's your guns in your face?
Hmm? Oh, by the way, if you need supplies, they're over in the second story of the base over there. There's armor, guns, weapons, explosives.
Hey, what's your name?
I guess I'm a guest. I guess you could do a secret collaboration.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wait, are you doing a video too?
I'm going to be uploading a few of my recordings from the game sessions.
Oh, okay.
Oh, okay.
Hey,
Yeah. Just currently I'm making one right now, and I was like explaining,
Hey! Where's
like a couple
armor?
Oh my god,
minutes.
it's him! Hey! He was just on my server.
Oh, he was?
Yeah, he was.
Oh, that's cool.
He was just helping me out build my house.
Hey, where's armor, H?
Hey,
Where's armor? Where's armor, H? S? Where's armor?
I think he's looking for armor.
armor? Oh, it's hold on. It's on the second story here. I'll show you. So if you go up to the second story right here, in here, you can.
Whoa, Gordon! Go ahead.
All right, and you can take any one of these. Just stock up.
I think I hear.
Oh, yep, they're here. Where are they? Oh.
Oh, worst time to open up my inventory.
Okay, he's now on the floor.
I gotta put my flashlight shotgun together. There we go. Much better.
Guys! Where's Bullet? Guys?
Bullets? Here, I can give you bullets. Hold on, I need a... So, let's see, pull out inventory. Rifle, okay. Let's see, rifle, ammo. Alright, there you go.
Go! Guys! Who's out?
Yeah, like 5 minutes ago, I was recording a video on the aisle, and I was explaining.
Yeah, I saw.
Yeah,
Yes.
and I was explaining how basically what happens is on my phone channel, it only took 5 minutes for one of my videos to get 500. Wait, 500 and like wait, no, not 500. 167. 167 views within 5 minutes, whereas compared to this, it take like 1 month to get 57 views. Which is crazy how much people watch YouTube Shorts these days. Like, that just shows it right there.
He's discovered the house.
Yeah, because last time we tried that, someone like spawned in a bunch of logs, and it crashed the server.
Mommy.
Oh, that's what happened?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. I'm pretty sure I heard of people like spawning logs.
Guys, I'm stuck here. Help.
Yeah,
Oh,
the log hack.
hold on. I need to give him a zip
The log
line.
hack. Yeah, the log hack command is really like weird.
Let's see. I'm about to spawn in the zip line. Hold on. Let me turn on commands. Cheese stick. And then, wait, no, I spelled it wrong. And then, let's see, spawn item rope gun. There you go. Just pick that up and then look towards the zip line and then press E on it to get out of there. Yeah, I once fell in that trap too. It's very. It's a big hassle to try to get out of it. Like when I didn't know how to do it. Okay, so real quick, I'm gonna make a bed so that it can be dead. Wait, no, I could just set time. Hold on. Set time of day. That should work. No, it did not. No, okay, it didn't. Yeah, I might just have to build a bed. So I forgot how to do that command. Let's see.
Guys, I need backup, quick.
Oh, back up. Why am I walking so slow? Okay. Wait. What was it? What the?
I heard something that didn't sound very friendly.
Yeah. It
Yo, you might want to get in the house.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
In fact, I'm going to put some locks on the doors.
Yeah, here soon like a lot of this forest will hopefully be gone, and then we can see what's out there a lot better. But then again,
Yeah.
I gotta figure out how to delete loose logs so that it doesn't lag. Oh, there's Virginia. Yeah, every time I go into the server, she just walks up to me and hands me a fish.
Fish.
Okay, I think we're safe for now.
Yeah. Honestly, I should probably turn off my lights so I can see back. Oh, better I can see. There isn't a glare on my screen.
Yeah, something about the game I was playing, The Isle. The textures aren't loaded in.
Guys, go to sleep.
Okay. Oh, I need to build a bed.
Oh. No, there is.
Oh, there's a tent
bed
right there.
here.
Oh, I didn't see the tent. Okay. Let's see. There we go. Sunshine.
Day 2 of working on this house.
Guys,
Oh yeah, because we can transport supplies. Okay, so
make sure I'm not cutting down the tree that this line is cut to, or attached to.
Okay, let's see. I'm going to go start transporting logs real quick. I think I could start maybe right here, but then again, I don't know. I think I'm gonna start over there just to be safe. Ah! I just dropped it on my head. Okay. Bro. Annoying. Okay, now log sled. Oh. Is that a ferret? No, that's a rat. Okay, and it's dead too. Okay. There we go. Where'd the log go? Oh, there it is. Okay, let's see, grab that. What are you doing? Virginia was being weird. Okay. One more log and it's full. Alright. Once I get there, I'm gonna have to like eat something. Oh, I'm stuck. Okay. What the heck? Okay, I'm glitching out. Alright. Okay, let's see. Run up here. Okay, I think I might be able to be outside to the walls. Oh, I have another log.
So, you stone on. So, here. Hey, come back here. So I'm thinking. What? Log come off. So what I'm thinking is, so in this room, the logs go on this, like in this area of the wall only.
Oh, okay.
this will be where we pretty much build the window, and then the rest is stone.
Oh, okay. So this area only log, and then the rest stone.
Yeah.
Okay, that should be that should work.
Because then this is that nice little window. Then I need an axe so that I can make the windows.
I'm gonna see if I can try making like some kind of balcony. But then again, that would be hard.
I originally wanted to try to do that, but like, realized that that's a lot harder to do than I previously thought.
It'd be like a huge old levitation. What am I talking about? It would be like something huge. Oh, so we could probably use the rest of these logs that are in the carrier for a roof. But then again, that depends on how tall we want that roof.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna drop these for a second, and I'm gonna go collect some rocks, some big old rocks. Let's see. Ooh, rocks. Oh, they have like an opening window system? That's cool.
Yeah. I only recently discovered it too.
Okay, let's see.
So then we'll pre-place the blueprint for the bed.
Okay.
Okay, let me do that.
Well, I need to eat something. Let's see. Can't eat a light bulb. However, I want to eat a light bulb, but I can't. Okay, let's see. What about this?
Bag.
Guzzle down a whole entire thing of prime. Guzzle another thing of prime. Then eat an MRE. Okay. What was the new? All right.
I need a few wooden slabs or things.
Go here. Ah, here's some rocks.
Start with 4 since it's only carrot. Virginia scared the shit out of me again. Holy god. My cannibal.
Virginia tends to do that.
I need 4 more.
I know this is a good place because you can find rocks like near the river. Ah! Oh jeez, bats scared me. Okay. No, it was the bats because whenever you go near the cave, it summons bats.
Yeah. There, now we have a bed up here.
Oh, okay. So whenever it turns night, we can just like instantly go up there. Somehow Virginia made it up here. I'm surprised she has the intelligence to do that.
Yeah, normally not even Kelvin goes up the stairs.
Yeah. I wanna spawn in a Kelvin just cause life isn't the same without Kelvin.
Help, guys! Help!
Oh, crud.
Oh.
Help me!
Here, I'll go handle it.
Okay.
I pulled out GPS locator.
H!
Coming!
Oh, crud. I just, like, snapped my ankles into a million pieces.
S!
I'm coming, man.
I need help!
We're coming.
Help!
Did you...
Oh, it's
Not
a
me!
demon boss!
Oh, my!
Where's he at?
Where'd she go?
Oh, he's all the way over there.
No wonder dude was flabbergasted. Oh, I need to whip out my
I
cross.
think he's downed. No, he's not.
Ow!
Protect him.
Never mind.
Whoa, whoa, you're downed? I thought you had God mode on.
It resets it. Wait, hold on, let me turn it on. God mode.
I'll keep distracting him.
Okay, I think I just turned on God mode. Alright. Okay. Yep, it turned on God mode. Oh, let me pull out my cross.
Check your health bar.
Where is my
It
cross?
should indicate whether you have God mode on.
Yeah, yeah, I do. In the name of Jesus Christ, you stop,
I got
demon.
it. It's dead.
Oh, okay.
I do wish that you could cut the boss heads off.
Yeah,
And
you
have
can
them as
like.
trophies.
Yeah. Oh, you're on fire. Or was on
I know.
fire.
They call me the Ghost Rider.
I remember getting a Ghost Rider Hot Wheel a long time ago. It was like a Chevy Impala, and it was like had the
Yeah.
flames around it. Okay, let me whip out my whatever I had. I think it was a shotgun. Yeah.
Yo, Ed! Haha!
Yeah, we forgot to remind you, demons, bosses, all kinds of stuff. They spawn
and-
randomly.
Yeah, they spawn on their own.
Same goes with flying airplane sharks. Like you'll find sharks just like casually floating. Okay, hold on, guys, real quick. I'm gonna spawn in a Kelvin. Let's see.
Okay.
Add.
Uh-oh.
Where'd he go? Kelvin is.
Oh. Let me go. Here we go. There.
Come
Somewhere.
on. I didn't think. Oh, it's Kelvin! Let me give him some drip.
No, we gotta give him the pajamas.
The pajama. Oh yes.
Here, let me switch my pajamas out.
Okay.
Yo, Kelvin.
Hey, Lex! Hi.
Bro, hit me with a guitar. Are you trying to chop down a tree with your guitar?
I bet you if I shaved my legs, I could use my leg hair as a blanket. He's got the drip now.
Yeah. He's ready to go for a nappy wappy.
Yeah. I like how it's we're determined to bring back Kelvin mainly for this. Okay, I'm gonna go find some big ol' rocks. I'm tempted to go in there, but not at the same time. Rock. Another rock. Another rock. I need one more rock. Let's see. Rock.
Shit, I forgot to mention. The rooms that are on the inside. So like... Here, wait, where'd you go?
Wait. Here.
I almost Here. You know, I'm just gonna steal one of these rocks to show.
Oh,
So,
okay.
hello, character. There we go. So like, for example, rocks go on the out. So there are instances where we will use logs for walls. But those are only on like walls like these that are on the inside of the base. So like outside base,
Oh yeah.
like
So
unless it's near a bed, it,
because look matters.
yeah, like that. Yeah. So like if it has a window, it's a wooden wall. If it doesn't, it's a rock wall.
Oh,
If it's
okay.
on the inside, it's a wooden wall.
So I'm thinking for the area with like over here, because we have so much logs, we should sacrifice these rocks for the wall and replace
Yeah.
this inside wall. Yeah, with log. Well, let me.
Maybe even make that a storage room.
Yeah. If we add some
Should
flooring.
just be able to.
Trying to figure out a way to get up.
Here,
Oh,
here.
okay.
Let me do that one.
Okay.
Yeah, you just sort of look up at them.
What the heck?
Oh. Here. Right,
Alright, there we go.
right about there, and then should.
There we go.
There we go.
Alright, I'm gonna start placing some over here.
Now I would turn on stone hack, but then that also turns on log hack, and that can get out of hand real fast.
Yeah, oh, what did I just do?
Oh, whatever.
It just spawned in the rocks in the rocks in the rock. Okay, so it's all about looking at the log perfectly. You gotta look the log up and down, freaking riz it up in order to like find the right place to place the rocks. What the heck? Where's the rock at? I placed a rock, but it doesn't show that I placed a rock.
Might be inside the wall or inside one of the things.
Hmm. Oh, there we go. Yeah, hold on, I need to check. Oh, yep, the rock is down here. Okay. Okay, that rock is like just lives there now, I guess. Okay. But also sometimes you don't need. So here's something I know how to do. So you don't need rock hack to spawn in rocks. You just need to spawn in them. But you can't spawn in too much at a time, of course. Hold on.
Yeah. So that will be the doorway.
Okay, I just spawned in 10. Just because I don't want to blow up my PC. Because I know for a fact if I spawn in too many, this PC, it's going to be in a million
Guys!
pieces.
Guys!
Huh?
I think he's dealing with
I think he found another
demon
boss. Yep, probably.
Guys!
We're coming.
Help!
We're coming. Oh, as fast as we can. Hold on. We would. I think he ran into another demon boss, maybe. Oh, it was a shark. Hi, shark.
Fact.
Oh, man!
We're coming.
S.H. I saw a shark!
Oh, a shark? They're okay. They don't attack you.
Can you shoot them, please?
They
Don't
they
worry,
don't.
the shark won't attack you. It's non-water.
Yeah, unless you're in
The shark
water.
will only
Come on,
attack if
guys!
it's in water.
Yeah, see, he's completely okay. It's okay because they will only attack if in water.
Hey, we found rocks.
Yeah.
Carry one more. I can't carry one more.
All right. Let's see. Back to the bay.
Can I?
Shoot the shark.
What about him?
Ah! His fingers! Fingers! Hold on. Ah, watch out! Sorry. There we go. Okay, Fingers is dead now.
Find me help! Ow, ow, ow!
There's another one.
Baby! There too!
Where are they?
Baby!
Ah! What? Oh, I need to reload. Oh, there's like 5. There's
What?
more than 5. Okay, okay. That is... Okay. Oh, there's one.
Guys, I found a second Virginia.
You found a second Virginia? That is wild. Okay, Hey, it's a shark, yo! It's a sharky!
Kill second Virginia. Do I...
Kill!
Okie dokie.
Hey, dude! H!
Hmm?
Hey, yo, H! Push me, please! Oh.
Virginia and Kelvin were just sitting there covering their ears.
Not sure if she's dead yet. Oh no, we have to wait for her to get up from being tased before we can kill her.
Guys, it was just a prank, I swear.
Didn't stop.
Is she like invincible?
Oh no.
It's Turkey.
There we go. Now she'll die. There can only be one Virginia.
Yeah.
Anyways, where'd I leave those rocks? I straight up threw all my rocks in her face.
I accidentally threw my rocks at the green P because at him on accident because like I saw fingers and I was like, oh crap, so I had to like
Yeah, I
yeet the
threw
rock.
all my rocks in her face and then shot her 5 times. All in the span of a second. And then she got up while I was pulling out the taser.
H!
I got an idea.
Pistol, shotgun,
Bro, that shit must have been traumatizing for the other Virginia to watch.
Yeah.
She must have been like, what the fuck?
Probably.
Hey!
How do I turn this on?
Hey, you! There's more shotgun Hey, more bullets of, sniper, please!
What about the sniper?
More bullets!
Oh, bullets.
Please! Follow.
Hold on, guys. You guys want to save your progress? Cause I gotta go, cause we're going to the pool.
Okay, let me...
Wait, I have a pool at home! You come over my house!
Hold on,
Hello?
I'm gonna save my progress real quick. Let's see. Oh right, there's a bed upstairs in there. Okay.
Save it.
Oh, jeez. Okay.
Turns and tries to shoot.
Okay. Well, I will see you guys probably when I get back, depending
Guys,
on how.
later. Yep.
All right.